Part of the sound is about to be timeless. These are the struggles of modern society. I am a product of my environment. I tend to stress out more than I like. Who in the fuck told you I would be quiet? Double the cup, watch it go on my body. I'm on the floor like I'm doing a posse, huh? I got one eye and a scope, I'm a pirate, huh? How you approaching this shit is your mindset, huh? And your morals ain't shit for some content, huh? Moving that pimp like a prophet, huh? I ain't new to this shit, just be honest, huh? You wouldn't exist if it not for us. My pockets get big till they back the bus.